Good, it's 12:09, so good afternoon, 9 minutes. We're back here in South Carolina. We're done with our Pittsburgh trip, which was fun. We got a lot of great stuff. We stopped at our local Goodwill. It's a PC Works. Then it has the discount bins, and it has your standard Goodwill. We picked something up, and I was super excited about it, and we bought it yesterday, and it sold today. And what that item was a $500 item, and I'm not gonna say what I paid for it, just for purposes, but I will tell you that I've made more than my money back, and it just shows that as us pickers, and we go out and we go out to these Goodwills, we go out to these thrift stores, and sometimes hard work does pay off, and we just happen to stumble across this item. I was in the right place, the right time. I'm not telling you go out to your local Goodwill and you're gonna find treasure that's gonna bring you millions, because that's not the legit. I mean, this is a lot of hard work. I mean, you see all these guys, you see all these different channels out there, and it's a hell of a lot. I mean, really, really hard work. But let me show you what I found and I bartered for, and I got it. The wife listed it. And when did you list it?
I listed it last night, so it sold within 12 hours.
So within 12 hours, this shit was gone. So let's check this. All right. Look at this puppy right here. Yeah, GTX 1080 and GeForce. And let me tell you something. I'm not gonna lie. I have an Omen PC with a 1060 in it, and as much as I really, really want this, what did the wife say?
No.
And why not?
You have enough shit.
I have enough shit. We need money. Anyhow, I wanted to show you guys that. Alright, so just so you guys know, I mean, that's what it was. It was 500 smackaroos right there, and it was a great score. So always keep your eyes out, you know what I mean? That's one of the things. You just gotta keep your eyes peeled. So anyhow, so that just shows you, I mean, you can find a lot of good stuff. I also got this here. It's a Radeon HD 7700 or 7750. I already installed it into my son's computer. But you just can get a lot of cool stuff out of Goodwill. You just really have to be there at the right time. Like I said, I mean, you can learn a lot from a lot of these different people on here. I'm not going to go through names. You guys use YouTube. You look for it all. You see it all. But yeah, I wanted to make this quick video, and we have more to come. Our travels are off on hold, obviously. We're still taking care of a lot of stuff here at home. But we're going to be back out on the road again. But for now, enjoy our picking videos of going to Goodwill, thrift stores, yard sales, etc. So follow the comments and links. There's a link down there somewhere. It's going to take you to your Facebook page. Please follow it, join it, like it, subscribe to this channel if you like the content. Like this video, and have a good day.